Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add assignees in ClickUp. It's very easy. So I have this workspace right here, enter ACP workspace. And to add an assignee, you just come here to your list, click here on this person with the plus icon under assignee, and you just have to go ahead and click on invite people via email. Okay, go ahead and select that. Now, I'll go ahead and invite them by typing the email in. So here we go. So that is the email. Click on invite. As you can see, now we are going to invite them as a full member, or you can even give them admin permissions. Okay, and full edit permissions as well. There you go. And then just click on send invite, right? So we have gone ahead and done that. It's been shared with them, and they have now been assigned that task. And I can easily assign this person the task by clicking on them. Okay? Just like that. It's really that easy.